In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the BNB Smart Chain to your Coinbase wallet. This is a crucial step if you're looking to interact with the Binance ecosystem or hold BNB tokens securely in your digital wallet. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you understand exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Coinbase wallet app on your mobile device. If you haven't already installed the app, make sure you download it from the official app store for your operating system. Once the app is open, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Tapping this icon will take you to your wallet settings, where you can manage various features, including networks. Now, from the settings menu, you'll see a section called networks. Tap on that and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can view the networks currently available on your wallet. To add a new network, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon. This icon is what you'll need to tap to begin the process of adding the BNB Smart Chain. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be prompted to enter some specific details about the new network you want to add. Let's fill these in. First, in the network name field, type BNB Smart Chain. This identifies the network you're connecting to. Next, you'll need to enter the RPC URL. This field is crucial because it directs your wallet to the correct server for the Binance Smart Chain. Type in https://bsc-dataseed.binance.org. Double check to make sure you've entered it correctly, as any mistakes could lead to connectivity issues. Next, you'll need to enter the chain ID, which is a unique identifier for the blockchain network. For BNB Smart Chain, the ID is simply 56. Similarly, you'll input the currency symbol, which is BNB. This helps your wallet recognize the native currency of the BNB Smart Chain. Lastly, you'll want to fill in the Block Explorer URL field with https://bscscan.com. This URL provides a way to view the blockchain's details like transactions and wallet balances through a web browser. Once you've entered all the necessary details, look for the Add Network button. Tapping this will save the network settings to your wallet. Ensure that all information is correct before you save, as incorrect details might require you to repeat the process. Finally, after the network is added successfully, you will be able to switch to the BNB Smart Chain directly from within your wallet. This will allow you to start using BNB natively in your Coinbase wallet, enabling you to send, receive, and interact with applications on the Binance Smart Chain. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added the BNB Smart Chain to your Coinbase wallet. I hope this guide helped you navigate the process smoothly. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to revisit any part of this video. Thank you for watching and happy investing.